nice day. It's a fantastic day to hate myself. Because I am removing the exhaust pipe on this thing. Hi, girlfriend.
Hi.
I like it. So as you all know, it's not Fiesta ST. These things are quiet. But that's boring. Teddy first. Wow, this barely fits under there. This is gonna kill me. It's gonna get loud. We're bolting that shit right there. Taking this pipe, moving to a side. And it's gonna be loud. So, engine's that way. Rear of the car's exhaust pipe is this way. This is the down pipe. Just kind of hanging out, pointing down. It's gonna be a good time. Why I even want to do this myself, I have no idea. I've done this before with the Acura and it was horrible. But this is fine. Alright, here goes nothing. Fiesta ST downpipe dump. That's not initially as loud as I thought it would be. I did the big day. So the catback's unbolted from the downpipe, and it's gonna be a good meme. First acceleration. Wow, that's a lot of torque loss. Oh, that's great. This thing has -5 torque, and I don't recommend it because it sounds like complete ass. It's going back on pretty soon. Fiesta ST catalytic downpipe dump. Whack.
Whack.
Whack. That's how it should be.